Morning, everybody. This is where we're headed today. Got my daughter with me today. She'll be helping me out on this hike. She knows the trail more than I do, and I'm more than happy to join her on this one. So we're gonna be up in there. We're gonna go to some waterfalls that are back tucked up in these mountains. Let's start it. Keep going.
Let's go.
Join us on this one, guys. We're gonna have fun. It's a family day today. Me and my daughter. We're gonna make it up to these waterfalls. Follow all these trails and go to town with it. Keep up with me on this one, homies. We got this. I don't know if you guys can read that sign, but that's where we're headed up. We're trying to head up this way. It's called Seven Falls. We gotta hike over these canyons right now. We're on an asphalt trail right now that a lot of people, I guess it's more like a fire lane for firefighters to get up these mountains. But it's gonna turn off trail right now. We're gonna be on dirt in a bit. Follow us, guys. Look at all the saguaros we're surrounded by. This place is beautiful. Jeez. Things are humongous. Towers. Got running water. Nice river right here, little creek. We're getting closer, guys. Push ridge, we're gonna keep on pushing then. Butterflies are everywhere today. All right, everyone, we are getting close. We're already in about almost 2 miles from where we parked. Just check out the scenery over here, man. It's freaking awesome. Can't beat that, you know. Look at this. Ran into another, I think this is the same creek here. Just keep on going, guys. It's getting more and more beautiful out here. Got the canyons all around us on both sides. There's a lot of wildlife out here. Bears, mountain lions, bobcats. All right. It's a nice little hike. Good little workout for sure. Let's go and check it out, guys. Let's see what we got going here. river's nice and clear right here. It looks yellow, but it's the rock coloration underneath it and the sand. But it's clear, it's pretty clear water here. We're headed up that way. Yep, somebody would get really, really hurt if they fall off of this ledge. Not me, not today.
Next day, the next day, the motherfucker was dead.
All right, we're already 3.5 miles in. This place is awesome. Look at this. All my people, check this out. These are all hikers that hiked in to get wet. We're getting close. We're getting close. All right, let's go. Follow me, guys. We're on this one right here. We're about to get in that water right now. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. I'm glad I took this offer for this hike today. It was stunning, for real. Beautiful Seven Falls, Tucson, Arizona. Mount Lemmon right here. Beautiful canyon. Have a beautiful day spending with my kids. 100%.
Yeah.
Just slowly try to find it.
I mean, we should put an air tag
This
in your
is
bag.
Seven Falls here, Tucson, Arizona. This is right off of Mount Lemmon out here. We're about to enjoy the cold ass water right now. Here goes my daughter. Go ahead, girl. Go. Yeah. This place is amazing right here. You gotta love it. I mean, it's starting to get packed, but I'm glad we got here early. We're able to enjoy it. Everybody's having a good time. Let's all be safe out here. I just fell right now. I slipped from there down. And my daughter is swimming too.
The waterfall.
Crazy girl. Oh, dang. This is where we're at. Seven Falls, Tucson, Arizona. All right, so we just did Seven Falls. We're here. And we're getting ready to leave. Start heading back. We've been out here a few hours and we still got 4 miles ahead of us back. But this is what we got going on. I'd recommend this place to anybody. The hike was, the terrain's a little bit tough, so obviously bring a walking stick with you. Everything else, waters. Make sure you bring a lot of water with you out here. Very, very important, guys. Here we are. Water popping all the way through here. Beautiful. Never love it. I think it's a house right there.
I think it's the same.
Is that what you think?
I think so.
Yeah, you see these rocks are big, especially the ones down there. Everything right here.
Rock pile was up there.
Oh yeah. You gotta watch yourself right here though. A lot of small rocks that will hurt your little patita. Now we're cooling down. Nice and hot out here already. I think we're at 90 something degrees.
Nah, it tastes like Dasani.
Tastes like what?
Tastes like Dasani, bro.
Dasani.
He's good.
Yeah, it's not bad, huh?
Very good. Well, we ended our trip, guys. This place was awesome. I recommend it to anybody that just wants to get out, enjoy this beautiful natural Mother Nature right here. Until next time, thanks, kids. Love you. See ya. All right, we're gonna say bye to Sabino Canyon, Coronado National Forest.